So let's talk about how to get your Facebook page link. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my Facebook home, and then I'll click on pages, the icon that I just tapped now that just showed blue. Then I'll tap on Queen Ideas. This is one of my page. I have many pages, even for some of my clients. Some of the pages are admin. So when it opens, you can see page, ads, inbox. So you just keep scrolling and you see more. Tap more, scroll down, and then you see copy page link. This is where to copy. So once you just tap copy page link, it copies automatically. So you can now go back and paste it wherever you want to page. Let me say this. All right, so this is my page link. Do you get? So with this, people can easily just click and get to my page instead of giving people your Facebook page, and when they get to search, type that name, a lot of names will appear and it will be difficult for them to actually find you. So I hope you found this useful.